Hi, I'm Martin. I'm an engineer at ANDRITZ Metals, Germany. Last night, I dreamed I could travel into the future. With the most legendary time machine I can imagine. Let's find out how my current project idea performs over the next 3 years. We are close to 88 miles per hour. The street, the houses, looks like not much has changed. Wait, my wife and I, we have 2 kids. That's incredible.
Hello, Martin. Welcome back.
No one would believe this. A coffee robot? Unreal.
Your calculations are completed. Good news. Your ideas have made a real impact. Our processes are now faster, more efficient, and future-proofed. We significantly increase the productivity, and we are enabling major energy savings. I have updated and saved all data for you. Your presentation is ready and available on all your devices. Good luck.
Mark, get up. Wake up. It's past 10.
Past 10. I'm sure that we are on the right way. Join the team